Hi, in this lesson we'll learn some of the most common greetings used by French speakers. Are you ready? Let's start. First, informal greeting. Informal greeting in French is salut. Can you repeat? Salut. Salut means hi, hello, or goodbye. We use it when we meet, but also when we leave. We should only use this greeting with friends and family. And now, let's continue by discussing the formal way to greet people. The one you are probably used to hearing is bonjour. Can you repeat? Bonjour. Literally, bonjour means good day. However, we may also use it as good morning, good afternoon. As a rule of thumb, we can use it only during the daytime, from morning until evening. During the evening, we say bonsoir. Can you repeat? Bonsoir. Soir is French for evening. So bonsoir means good evening. Bonjour and bonsoir are used when we meet someone, but when we leave, we don't say them again. In this situation, French speakers use au revoir. Can you say au revoir? Which means goodbye. Finally, in French, we have an expression meaning see you later, see you soon, that can be considered both formal and informal. À bientôt. Can you repeat? À bientôt. Now you can greet people in many different ways in French. Let's review them all again. When meeting someone informally, we say Salut. When meeting someone formally, we say Bonjour or Bonsoir. When living in a formal situation, au revoir. When leaving, no matter whether it's formal or informal, à bientôt.